Hello my dear students, good afternoon to you all. Today I am going to teach you a very important lesson that is related with a great scientist Albert Einstein, and this lesson name is Albert Einstein at School. It is written by Patrick Pringle. So before just to get the detailed study of this inspiring lesson, let us something as a introduction of this lesson. Actually, in Albert Einstein at School, the writer Patrick Pringle describes a bitter experience of the great scientist Albert Einstein. It is at his own school in Germany, means where Einstein was studying, and the lesson expresses the hollowness of the school education. Means there were like in that time in the school, the students were unable to draw his attention towards the science. They were busy just to read the easy subject like history, Hindi, and other means their language. So the lesson expresses the hollowness of the school education in Germany, and Einstein finds the school education quite boring and dull, and it kills free thinking and new idea. Means Einstein came to know that with the help of school education we cannot get anything, as it kills free thinking and new idea. So he did not like such type of education. So Einstein had to decide to plan for his expulsion from the school. Means how to leave the school for get the good knowledge. So my dear student, now it is the time to get the detailed study. Actually, the lesson starts with this point that it was the history class, and the history teacher Mr. Brown was teaching about a war. The war between Persian and French. So when he taught, while he was teaching, he asked a question to Einstein that when the Persian defeated the French at the War of Waterloo. As you know that Einstein was interested in science, he was not interested in history, so he replied that he don't understand any important things to remember the day. Hearing this, the history teacher thought that Einstein is naughty. He would not want just to reply. He is supposing, he is expecting that history subject is very boring subject. So he got angry, and then he told, then represent your own theory, Einstein theory. Hearing this, Einstein replied without any hesitation that idea is more important. Idea is more important than remembering the date. So it is not important, sir. Einstein replied that his history teacher that it is not so much important that who defeated to whom. It is more important in comparison with that why the soldiers were killing one another, each other. It is the important fact. It is not important fact to remember the date and facts who defeated to whom at the war of Waterloo, but it is important why the soldiers were killing one another. The teacher got angry. Actually, Einstein was fond of reading books on science, and he devised a plan to get rid of the school. So, the history teacher got angry after hearing the reply of Einstein, and he at once told Einstein to return home where his mother and father lived. Means, according to his history teacher, he was wasting his time. He was not capable to understand anything. He was stupid. Einstein knew that his history teacher is angry, but he knew it well that when he would go to his parents, his father and mother surely will tell that till when he would not pass diploma, he should not leave the school. And that was the main problem of the Einstein. Einstein has antipathy towards the school. He didn't like to get education there. Actually, he was feeling that in that school, such type of education kills free thinking and new idea. And that's why he did not like such type of education. In the meanwhile, his cousin, that name was Elsa, who lived in Berlin, came, and as soon as she heard the problem about Einstein, that she said that what difficulty are you facing just to pass in diploma? Only few weeks you will remember it. Many idiot students pass in diploma. It would be a very, very easy thing. You should chant it, some important line. But Einstein said, that is the things I do not want just to do. That is the things I do not want just to do. Means I cannot chant anything. It would be a great problem for me. In that surrounding, there was only one who was capable just to help him. That was Einstein's friend Yuri. Einstein's father was a poor, belongs to poor family, and that's why Einstein was living in a very, very dirty room, where his mistress and master quarrel often. Means mistress used to beat her children very mercilessly, and every Saturday the master of that house returned to home after taking a lot of wine, and he usually used to beat his wife mercilessly. It was the problem. So Einstein has a great desire to leave the school, and an idea came in his mind that if any doctor would be capable to give a certificate of nervous breakdown, so he can get easily near about 6 months holidays from the school. And that's why in this medium, about to fulfill his desire, he met his friend Yuri and asked that if he knew any doctor who was capable just to provide him. Actually, Yuri knew a doctor that name was Dr. Well, and Yuri sent him to the doctor. At first, for some days, 1 or 2 days, Einstein was unable to found the facts that what he would tell to the doctor. The doctor well gave a certificate for a nervous breakdown, but when Einstein reached to the doctor Ernest, really Einstein was at the stage of nervous. So when the doctor will ask him what he will do, then he replied that he would take admission in an Italian college at Milan. Hearing this, when the doctor said that you need not just to pay me, you will arrange a good dinner for your friend Yuri. And when Einstein told this event and showed the certificate to Yuri, Yuri advised that to read in Milan, you should take a certificate from the mathematics teacher. The mathematics teachers were good. He knew well that Einstein is a genius-minded student, and that's why he gave the certificate. Before just to leave the school, means before it, that Einstein informed the principal and show that certificate, the summon, means the principal called Einstein and boldly told that he is a rebellion student, Bidrohi Vidyarthi, and he is going to stray, and he is a great fear that his school would not run properly till when he would be in the school. Means the principal boldly said that it was impossible to teach him. Means to teach Einstein was impossible, and that's why the principal asked him to go out and shut the door. The certificate was in the pocket of Einstein. He did not show it to the principal, as he was himself expelling out him from the school. But he did not follow the order of the principal. Means he didn't shut the door. Actually, he did not give a second look to the place and left it forever. And thus the lesson is finished. Perhaps you will understood it, and if you have any problem, ask it to me. Thanks a lot.